everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of chicken Manchurian, and we need to marinate the chicken first. And for that we need 2-pound chicken cut in small cube, fresh garlic and 1 egg. We need a half lemon juice and cornstarch, about 3 full spoon, and 1 spoon of black pepper. Add garlic, egg and black pepper into the chicken and mix well and keep it for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes add the cornstarch and mix it well, and then keep again for 15 to 20 minutes. Deep fry the chicken and keep it aside. And these are the final ingredient for chicken Manchurian, which is onion and capsicum cut in small cubes, and this is the fried chicken. These are 2 spoons of Chinese salt, 1 spoon red crushed pepper, salt per taste, and 1 spoon of black pepper, 2 spoons of hot sauce, and this is 3 full spoons of chili garlic paste, and I have this 1 spoon of soya and teriyaki sauce, and 2 full spoons of ketchup, and 2 full spoons of Szechuan sauce. This is Szechuan stir fry sauce. Add fresh garlic into the hot oil, and when garlic turn brown, add this capsicum and onion, which is cut in cubes. I'm adding half onion and capsicum and keeping half for later. Mix it well and cook this on high flame, and then add the fried chicken and mix it well again and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now add Chinese salt, black pepper, crushed pepper and salt, and then soya sauce and teriyaki sauce, and add Szechuan sauce, which is 3 full spoons. Add 2 full spoons of ketchup, hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce. This is chili garlic paste, and then stir well and cook for another 3 minutes. And now I'm adding the rest of the capsicum and onion, which I kept it aside, and I will mix it well. And this is the 2 cups of chicken broth. You can use the regular water. I'm using a chicken broth which is available for me, so just mix it well and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame, and then add this cornstarch and mix it well. Keep the chicken Manchurian on low flame for 5 minutes and your chicken Manchurian is ready. These are the ingredients for the egg fried rice, which is boiled rice. I'm using 3 cups of boiled rice, and these are the vegetables. You can take any veggies you want. I'm taking jalapeno, broccoli, cabbage, onion and mushrooms, and 3 eggs. Make scrambled egg and keep aside, and then add jalapeno and onion in hot oil and stir fry them, and then add the rest of the vegetable, which are cabbage, mushroom and broccoli. Mix it well and add soya sauce. I'm using this soya sauce. You can use any kind of soya sauce, and take 1 spoon of soya sauce. Mix it well, and then add 1 spoon of black pepper, half spoon of Chinese salt and half spoon of salt. You can take salt per your taste. Then stir them well and add those stir fry veggies in boiled rice and those scrambled egg, and mix those veggies and egg well in the rice. Then add 1 spoon of soya sauce again in the rice and keep it on the low flame for 5 minutes, and there you go. The Manchurian and fried rice are ready to eat. These are the egg fried rice and chicken Manchurian. Hope you like like this recipe, and if you have any questions, comment below, and thank you so much for watching.